Well, good morning, students, or afternoon or evening, depending on when you watch this. We're going to review real quick on how to find the percentage of a number. Let's say I want to find 55% of 35. 55% of 35. This is one of the simplest things we can do, okay? It's not complicated. You always take your percentage, right? Whether it be 55%, 5%, 103%, 0.3%, right? So no matter what percentage is, you always do this. If you want to find the percentage of a number, first you take the percent. You look at the percent, you say, okay, my decimal point is right there on my percent number. I'm going to move the decimal to the left twice. So 1, 2. So take my 55, now it's 0.55, and I multiply it times 35. And that's how you do it. Now, we're going to look at an example of all of these. How about 5%, right? So we take my decimal point is right here, because that's where my ones point place is. My decimal is put to the right of my ones place, and I move it over twice. 1, but then there's not another number. What do? I still move it, and add a 0. You always have to move, when you want to find the percentage of a number, you move the decimal place on the percentage number to the left twice, and then multiply. So now I have 0.05 times 35. And that's it. All right, so now we have 103% of 35. So we find where we are. Where are we? We find our decimal point on our percentage number. He's right here because he's to the right of the ones place. We move him over twice. 1, 2. So now it's 1.03 times, that's right, this guy right here. So if I want to find 103% of 35, move the decimal to the left twice, and then multiply your number. Now, here's another interesting one. 0.3, right? Kind of tricky. What do you do with this guy? Because you can find 0.3% of a number. But what do? So the decimal point is already to the left of the number. So what do you think you should do? Same thing, move them to the left twice, right? You got to fill in a couple of zeros here. So it would be 0.003 times 35. That's how you do it. So you have some examples. Drop the papers. You have some examples here, right? It's not a lot, it's just something I want you to go over and to review. Make sure you can do. If you're not sure about how to do one of these, go back and watch the video because I showed you how on all of them. Also, if it's confusing or you don't quite get it, give me a call and I will help to explain it to you. Other than that, have a good day.